Probably blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people are going.
As you can see by the title down below, I can really explain what really happened in that video. See?
Yeah, man.
So watch out, Christian, as you can see.
And the video chip out, man.
Yeah,
we had some technical difficulties.
Yeah, with the audio. So that's why I get this video right now. You see me? People, why stressing?
Very.
Stressing. We got Christian and our son all day, and we push out our best to get some mad freestyle. People mob like talented people, talented, but
Isn't it? Oh, we want the people who have a freestyle and Christian one. If you don't see this video, just drop a comment below and tell if you want with forward back.
Yeah.
So we can give them a better freestyle and shut up the place.
Yeah.
So we can just drop a comment or DM us. Any one of them. I couldn't know exactly what the chop though. But watch on the people.
I put up the clips them and the
one them will mess up.
So
you see where the order went silent, people wouldn't know how come we still try to sort it out right now.
And as you can see by the clip, the man did spit some lyrics. The freestyle is hot. Let's see where we are bunks and beating.
Why? Why?
Like,
Forget that.
You know, like
why?
People don't know me at all.
No, brother! The females might know what they're talking about.
Brother, on the screen me talk. What's on the screen right now? That me talk about.
You alone a bunks. Me not bunks to nothing. The man freestyle bad. The man that spit lyrics. But yeah, people, so we just really want to update on what really happened. And why not really see much videos I post. And we got Ville already and rainfall.
Place, so I'm not going to do no video.
Yeah, people. So just give you a small update as what's happening
and what's going on.
I feel like we're going to circle back up there. And if you want to see we go to Parish more often, watch the ads.
The ads, people. Share the
you
video.
know when I normally say this, but just watch the ads.
It means a lot to us, people. And you can make it go out of Parish more often.
Watch the ads, people.
You can go, if you know want to go like St. Catch, you know, St. Catch, you know, like St. Thomas, Portland, Mob, if you want to go them places, people. Share the video, we can get to at least 20k people.
Yeah,
20K.
Get us to 15k subscribers. Yeah, just share your status, your Instagram,
your
WhatsApp,
your Twitter,
your Facebook.
Share to your people and make sure your family watch it because of
broadcast upon a billboard, people.
Yeah.
Love with us broadcast upon a billboard.
Yeah, people.
Big up OTP.
Control.
And comment OTP mob if you're new. You see me? Welcome to the OTP mob if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. So yeah, people. And the merch.
Merch will be dropping soon.
Very soon.
It's
in the making.
You can put a picture here, sir. Put a picture over there.
Put picture there, so anyways. So let's get us to 15k and we'll start giving the merch and everything.
Else. Share the video then people, make your friends see it.
Press like and help with the algorithm, everything. Just
people, if you want to upgrade the equipment, all the equipment, the camera equipment, don't need to buy us a coffee.
The buy us a coffee or the PayPal, they both will be on the screen.
Link in the description.
Right away, so you can just donate at it, no matter what it be, people. As small as it is.
$5, $2, $1, same way.
Yeah, because you know we are really the ads we are working off right now. In these times, as you can see,
we are not rich.
Is it?
We're just trying our best to give you guys
the content you love.
Yeah, people.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
You see me? So just there are the right and I do dirt. If you want to see the video then just continue supporting. Respect for the support we get already. So respect to all of the people out there, the fathers and the phone fathers. But just enjoy them few clips that we're going to give you now.
Yeah, people.
You see me? I'm going to enjoy the one them before, probably.
And watch the video, them people just support on the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share
every time,
every day,
every hour, every minute,
every second
of the day.
Yeah, my friend.
You don't know you got people.
We are going to video them people. We still got, but we probably
post a bit more slower.
Yeah.
Or post less until. But don't worry, sir. One time I just go on 1 month straight of freestyles and videos and everything galore.
Yeah, people.
So watch out now. Big up to all who really support you. Big up yourself.
Self big up.
Just touch yourself and say self
big up. Comment OTP mob in the comment section.
Yeah man, the OTP mob shirts them and they're ready to drop it. Yeah, people.
people, so today we're there with. Tell them your name, G.
Yeah, man. I don't know a little wicked. Original Christian artist. Yeah, man, in a real life. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, you don't know no teacher. Me not too nice spelling thing now, DJ thing me now, you know. So you don't know the special rhythm. Yeah, man. I don't know big up all the Christian people. And mama, you're the greatest. Have mercy. Watch this, Christiana. People going to get work. People going to get work. One more get a youth, just rise on the earth. Then go for we pants, and we boot, and we shirt. But man, the thing now work like a wicked. Chew with the gun, me not know where it drop. Me not pick no pocket, and me not break no lock. Tell them that the shoulda get a youth, me come fi back. So all the get a youth, no one put them on top. Say people going to get work. People going to get work. One more get a youth, just rise on the earth. Then go to for we pants and we boot and we shirt. But mind the thing now work, Christiana. Chew with the gun, me not know where it drop. Me not pick no pocket, now me not break no lock. Tap on that the shoulda get a youth, me come fi back. See what they get a youth, me want put them on top. People going to get work. People going to get work. One more get a youth, just rise on the earth. Then go to for we pants and we boot and we shirt. But mind the thing now work like a wicked. Chew with the gun, me not know where it drop. Me not pick no pocket, now me not break no lock. Tap on that the shoulda get a youth to come fi back. See what they get a youth to want put them on top. People going to get work. People going to get work.
One more. I'll get one more.
I'll get one more.
See him.
Geology is nothing like mythology. Visualize your underwear, wondering if you can put it under there. Have no fear, as a man we have no care. Pay attention with the best girl scores of the year. Some man only get ya with technology. Have an iPhone and think that is the answer fee. The equation and have the intellect capacity. Intellectual, them not the girl analogy. Be with gal, for make she know the toxicology. What I beat her with, some simple terminology. Didn't know, she all give me an apology. She all give me an apology. And after the argument, me leave her paralyzed. She get tricked again, she didn't even realize. She tell me she love me, she never gonna leave me. Me get it so easy, while some man a waste man. And them only goats and dots, zoology.
Watch this. People going to get. People going to get. People going to get. Yeah. Juggling this of the earth, juggling lin. Juggling this of the earth, juggling go. Juggling this of the earth, juggling lin. Juggling this of the earth, juggling. They put me in a car, for do some driving. The car too fast, me name the steering. Put me in a house, for do some ceiling. The house too cold, me name the ceiling. They put me in a shop, for do some selling. The sale too slow, so me name everything. They put me in a plane, for do some flying. The plane too fast, me name one of the wing, the plane land. The plane land. The first start the plane, make a down a anchor. Me fi challenge you to them call Jackie Chang. Jackie is right but the Chang is wrong. Chang is a name of a karate man. Kick off your foot and then kick off your hand. Bujo is a name of a breadfruit man. No compound road live in a Clarendon. Tiger is a name of a jungle man. No come in a Hold on.
What you say? You eat off your foot and you eat off him hand. Alright. Hold on. Alright, so tell me fine.
Yeah, man, I don't know a little wicked in a Christiana. You hear that? Right on a Strand district. One bus. Must bus. Yeah, man, in real life. Here, teacher.
So people,
all a Spalding crew to big up on yourself.
I know a thing go.
Spread out, my big brother. Gamachi and New York, all in. Official.
All like crew. Everybody boy, you know a thing go already. People, on to the next freestylist.
One name Fly Ratbat. There's a wicked change and name and call Ratbat. 2020 brand new tune come. 21 now it a run up and down. Boy, every girl want to fly out a bat. This one name Fly Ratbat. Every girl want to fly out a bat. This one name Fly Ratbat. Christiana don't have Ratbat. Mandeville want to fly out a bat. Porus want to fly out a bat. Mapen want to fly out a bat. Christiana want to fly out a bat. Porus want work bat. This one name Fly Ratbat. This one name Fly Ratbat. Do it. Here come Ratbat and him cool now. And this one it a come brand new, you know. Here come Ratbat and him. One out of Christiana picture, you know. Yes, it's not one, it's not two, it's not three, you know. All Ratbat crew, you know. Me want to see who no pass right. In back we want put so feature winner. Make so no done brand new winner. Here come rat butter.
Girl, you are everything to my life. That's why me want you to be my wife. Me not treat you bad like Cartel and Lisa Hype. That's why them call you me one star light. The only God given me money in my life. The story has never been told. The story has never been told. Everybody scared, the young and the old. Everybody scared, the young and the old. Me just did a drink and I celebrate success. First one bust me think me dog him garners. But me have to give thanks to the narrow escape. Cause them boy you no care. Young them why you lie.
Alright people. Alright, tell me we can find a viewer channel.
I don't know. MV Lawi for Instagram. MV Lawi _ for Instagram. Malawi Capri got the artist. No go. Deal with it, proper OTP, big up on themselves. Blessings, bros.
As you can see, the video them they lit, people. The clips them they lit.
The artists them they the hot.
Why? Why? Oh, like the man doesn't want to go why. But anyways, people, why that is? That why too?
Yeah, go on. The artists them
spit lyrics.
them give us some lit freestyle.
Yeah.
So what you know?
Oh,
If you know any of these artists in the clips right now,
I might have none.
what?
Man,
If you know any of these clips, if you know any of these.
yeah, people, if any of the artists that see this art, anybody know any of them, can contact them and make them know so they hit you up back so we can forward.
Yeah.
You see me? Just make you know if you don't want to forward again, I want to give them a next freestyle.
Yeah,
people. Just donate to buy us a coffee. The link is below on the screen.
Yeah, people.
You can donate to PayPal as well if you want to help upgrade the system.
Yeah, so we can go out of parish more often.
Yeah, because you know we are really the ads we are working off right now.
Yeah.
Just go and look out for more freestyles. We might post a bit slowish.
Yeah.
We might not post as often as we normally post.
Yeah, because we are trying to sort out the
equipment. If you want help sort out the equipment, just remember you can contact us at Instagram, at email. You can donate to buy us a coffee. You can contact us through buy us a coffee, and you can PayPal with if you want, people.
Yeah,
so
people.
just if you want help, you can help. You see me? But we not stop doing the
leak content them. I'm gonna post like some other videos, like some indoor challenges and stuff. Try to do more collabs with more YouTubers as well. So if YouTuber out there want to collab with me, can hit us up on Instagram, see me. Bye-bye. Smile. Oh, come on, have one. Yeah, just hit us up on Instagram, see me if you want to do a collab with us.
Yeah.
Do a challenge.
Oh yeah, people, and we might build our own channel, so let us know if you would like that. If you would support us.
Vlog channel and stuff.
Not really vlog, it's not all about vlogs, but we're going to build a channel separate. So,
I'm going to build an OTP.
But you still have to see each other way, you still have to see each other vlogs or challenges or anything else.
We're going to build a vlog channel separately from OTP control. Right?
We have a lot in store for you guys. You just have to take it that time.
Take it that time. Like, share, comment every time.
Every day.
Every hour.
Every minute.
Every second.
Of the day.
Yeah, my friend.
You don't know you go, people. On to the next.
Freestyles.
You don't know, but
some of you say you don't know. I check. Check again.
That's my light.